Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to add PLP files in the pixellab app. PLP files are a great way to enhance your designs and take them to the next level. So let's get started. First, open the pixellab app on your device. Once you're in the app, click on the Import button located at the top of the screen. Next, navigate to the location where your PLP file is saved on your device. Select the PLP file you want to add to your design and click Open. Great! Now that you've imported the PLP file, you can easily customize it to fit your design. You can resize, rotate, and adjust the placement of the PLP file to make it look perfect. Once you're happy with how the PLP file looks in your design, you can save your project and export it to share with others, or use it for your own projects. And there you have it. Adding PLP files in the pixellab app is simple and can really elevate your designs. Give it a try and let your creativity shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.